To transfer money using a Banco Sabadell personal loan, start by understanding the process and requirements. Banco Sabadell is a Spanish multinational banking group that offers various financial services, including personal loans. First, ensure you have an active personal loan account with Banco Sabadell. If you don't have one, you will need to apply for a personal loan through their website, mobile app, or by visiting a branch. Once your loan is approved, you can proceed to transfer money. To initiate a transfer, log in to your online banking account or mobile banking app. Navigate to the Transfers or Payments section, where you will find options to transfer funds to other accounts. Select the account you want to transfer money from. In this case, your personal loan account. Next, enter the recipient's account details, including the account number, routing number, and the recipient's name. Make sure to double-check the account details to avoid any errors. Then, enter the amount you want to transfer, taking into account any applicable transfer fees or limits. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. After verifying the transaction details, confirm the transfer. The funds will be deducted from your personal loan account and transferred to the recipient's account. The transfer time may vary depending on the recipient's bank and the transfer method. It is essential to note that transferring money using a personal loan may incur interest charges. So it is crucial to review your loan agreement and understand the terms and conditions. Additionally, ensure you have sufficient funds in your personal loan account to avoid any overdraft fees. In conclusion, transferring money using a Banco Sabadell personal loan is a straightforward process that can be completed online or through the mobile app. By following these steps and understanding the requirements and potential fees, you can efficiently transfer money to other accounts. Always review your loan agreement and transaction details carefully to avoid any errors or additional charges.